Alright, hey guys, I'm going to show you how to improve your videos in 60 seconds. So right now we're going to improve this video. Right now I have some harsh light coming in, so now it's creating it's like, doesn't make my face look good at all. And so what you want to do is you want to get like a soft light to kind of bounce on your face. And so I'm going to be doing that with this ring light right here. And we're gonna see how that looks. Now that I turned on that light, I put it at about 50% brightness, so I don't want something too harsh. So at the same time, like the light that I have is diffused, so that means the light that's like slamming on my face is gonna be very intense. But at the same time, I'm still leaving on the lamp that I have in my room. That way my background isn't gonna be as blacked out, but we can see how it looks like if I were to turn off all the lights and just leave my ring light on. Leaving just my ring light on isn't enough light to fully light my subject, meaning me, the subject. So that's why we still need another point of light. The best way to get best lighting is having more than one source of light. So having a key light on the left of your subject and also the right of your subject. So if I were to draw down a picture, ow, just hurt my elbow. So I have a light to my left and also a light to my right. I'll kind of draw like a really lame photo of how I have like the tripod, me, the light all set up. So quick tip, let me go turn on all the lights. All right, now that I have all the lights on. So that is how you can improve your videos, just by using lights. Make sure you leave a like, comment down below, like what do you guys think, and subscribe for more videos. All right, so boom, see you guys next time. Peace.